Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today I am with Alex, who has Toyota AE86, right?
Exactly.
So Alex, how are you?
I'm good, man. I'm good. Nice to meet you.
So Alex, I would like to know something, not something, but actually the story of the car. Why do you have this car, and what have you done to the car?
Basically, as most know, this car is from the famous. As most of you know, this car comes from this famous anime called Initial D. And during quarantine, I sat down and watched all of Initial D again, and it made me want to just buy that car, you know.
All right.
And so I kept on searching. I actually like sent about 180 DMs to whoever had a picture of AE86 on their Instagram or anything about AE86. And actually, the first person I DM'd is the one who responded to me and told me
All right.
that there's one for sale. And
Okay.
so I bought this car from a guy called Salman, who is a popular JDM collector in the country. I bought the car. It was spitting oil out of the exhaust.
So
And
all this work that I see that is done to the car, is it? Did you get it in this case, or have you done it yourself?
no, I pretty much did everything. The engine has gone through a full rebuild. Full rebuild. The piston rings were a bit messed up. It needed a lot of love. So I ordered everything new online. Nothing is used. Obviously, engine intake, Koyorad Kakimoto. Sorry, Koyorad. What do you call this? Koyorad
Radiator, right?
Koyorad radiator. I put dual fans for cooling in UAE. You know, it gets hot out here. And I got CXR headers and heat shields everywhere. So we got Techno toy tuning heat shields and a Techno toy tuning aero plate. As you guys can see right now, the car is on charge because the alternator died on me.
Happens with all of JDMs.
It is what it is, right? So I put this, I made this myself to force more air into the radiator.
So you have done it yourself, like you have built the whole shield yourself?
Yeah, it's just simple aluminum. I did it out of cardboard and then got it cut out of.
How much is the car running right now? What's the horsepower?
Oh man, I'm lucky if I'm running 150 horsepower. If I'm lucky, it's 140, 150 like that. But I think it's more like 120 reasonably.
And I see a really good paint actually, like the paint is shiny. I could see it from the corner of the street. There is one car standing in a red color. So is it also original, or have you done it?
So the paint was done by the old owner. He did the Wathba Custom Show competition. He won the Wathba Custom Show competition with this car. And other than that, I mean, it has seen some polishing, some light work on top. Nothing too major.
And what are the stuff that you have done in the back? Because I see a few stuff there as well.
Let's go see. So first of all, I replaced the OEM trunk lid. I put this Saban carbon trunk lid. It probably lowered the weight by 35 kilos or something like that.
Of the whole lid?
Of the whole car, yeah.
The whole trunk lid, right?
The whole trunk lid, yeah.
And it's fully carbon fiber, right?
Fully carbon fiber, yeah. Ordered it straight out of Japan, straight from Saban. The car itself weighs right around 900 kilos, so now it's closer to like 860. So it weighs nothing. That's why the power is low. You don't need much power to make it go, you know. Other than that, I have a nice little setup.
So what is all this setup about? Like I see some Super Sega.
So it's a Super Nintendo. This is all like, you know, just Japanese vibes basically.
Alright.
Japanese vibes in the 80s.
Please like and subscribe.